How to unlock Snapchat account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in help.snapchat.com and then search for it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now, head over to the option I can't access my account. Now, I can click on the option My account is compromised. Click on the option Contact Support here. You can click on the option I can't access my account. Now scroll down and click on the option I see an error message when I log in. Then scroll all the way down and click on the option Contact Snapchat Support. You will be directed to Submit a Request page. You will need to fill out this form. Why can't you access your account? You can click on this drop down and select the option of My account was locked. Then type in your username, email address, phone number linked with your account, and in the description, explain in detail that your account has been locked, but you haven't violated any guidelines of Snapchat, and you can send it. With that, Snapchat support team will get back to you or consider your request, and your problem will be resolved and you'll get access to your account. So this way you are able to unlock Snapchat account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.